Are your localized application, Common Logic application failing because of the Common Library module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Before we start the Common Library module manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Common Library module, a foundational shared utility library. It houses localized unmanaged routines for localized string parsing, localized memory logging, and localized basic input-output shims, shared across different modules of a proprietary software suite. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. If the host software cannot locate Common Library module DLL, it indicates a corruption in the localized application Common Logic subfolder, and reinstalling that specific program from the developer website will restore all necessary runtime files. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing Common Library module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Installing an unverified version of Common Library module DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The utility linked below provides informational guidance for users reviewing Common Library module and system behavior. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Common Library module from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.